as details show.
A group of 35 farmer group representatives from Lango sub-region in northern Uganda have spent over 3 weeks here learning basic farming practices that would help many to increase on food production. Uganda, like in many other African countries, land ownership is predominantly for men, and yet 8 out of 10 of the world's smallholder farmers are women. They produce to as much as 80% in Uganda and Africa at large. The center therefore trains farmers, mainly women, in sustainable integrated agriculture to utilize the small land like backwards productivity to increase local food security and independence.
We train farmers in sustainable integrated organic agriculture, training them in practices and principles of organic farming.
Statistics indicate that at least 9 million Ugandans are food insecure. Another 5.8 million are malnourished as a result of the food insecurity, according to the Ministry of Agriculture, Animal Industry and Fisheries. Despite the existence of government programs such as NADS, figures show that growth in the agricultural sectors continue to decline sharply. While here, the farmers learn organic agriculture basic practices which they can acquire free and use to produce enough food in their homes, both for consumption and for sale.
They have covered compost making, liquid manure and manure tea, soil and water conservation, home hygiene, vegetable growing, which we call kitchen gardening, and fuel saving stove.
We are also going to train some other farmers in our region there. So we learned how to make compost. We learned a different type of gardens.
We need to integrate organic farming with good sanitation in a home, because this is the core. When a farmer or anybody is of good health, it helps that person to be energetic and fully support his family.
The key topics are simple investments like food banks, access to land, good quality seeds, storage for crops, and composite manure making. Such simple technology can surely increase participation of rural people, particularly women and the least privileged categories, in the strides to eliminate hunger. But this will require the firm commitment of all sectors of society, as well as government fulfilling its commitment of allocating 10% of the national budget to agriculture. Report compiled by Mulindo Mukasa for WBS News.